Good morning, guys. Today is 22nd Friday, December. Okay, I'm going to do a day in my life. I feel like I should do that. I'm going to be home the whole day. I'm going to be working from home. So what am I going to do after here? I don't know. I was supposed to do sit down videos, but I feel like my voice is not okay yet. I've been sick and it's not okay yet, so it will disturb me if I decide to do sit down videos. Now I tell you to do a day in my life. I'm basically going to be working. I'm going to be filming. I'm going to be cooking. Today I want to make a good meal. You know how we prepare our meals, right? So first of all, I'm finalizing with my design. So most of the clothes that I'm going to be working on today are done. I finished working on them, like sewing them.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all.
Cutting. I'm going to make this jumper. It's going to be a big one and a long one. So these are the sleeves. They are going to be big. Yeah, that is how they look like. And these are for the wrist. And I still have like a lot of fabric from this. I think I'll just have to make another jumper that is a little bit short and small. I don't know, I'll see what to do, but let me first work on this and then we see what to do with the remaining. So I don't know whether you can hear me, but this is how it looks like. And then down here, it is a baggy one because I want someone to just wear it with a legging or plain. So it is like that, but it is baggy. So this is how it looks like down here. I love it. I'm in love with it. I can't even lie. This is what exactly I anticipated. This is what I wanted exactly. And yeah, we've managed to pull this out. Let me show you behind. So behind, this is how it looks like. It's going to be like that, where we smacked that. Okay, yeah, so that is it. I'm going to iron. Yeah, it can be like that. I think it is cute. I decided to go for baggy sleeves because everything is baggy. Everything is baggy. Okay, yeah, so that is it. That is how it looks like, and we're loving it. We are loving it. Okay, so yeah, I can't wait to style that. Look at that. Look at the neck, baby girl. Look at that. So that is what I had to do today. I think I'm going to do another jumper, but it's going to be kind of short, and I want this to be like here, and I want it to be bigger than that, like I think thrice bigger than that. Okay, yeah, but that is how it looks like. Guys, look at this. Isn't this perfect? Isn't this beautiful? I love this material. It is so soft, smooth, it is good, it doesn't fray. Like, I really love it. So I'm going to iron, and then I do the stitching on these clothes that I made last time. They're quite many, but yeah, we're going to see how to work with these. Guys, so look at my candle. Last time I told you I was going to make candles, and indeed I delivered. So these are the candles that I made. Look at this down here. I put strawberry here and vanilla. Here there is caramel, vanilla, and and what, I think plus some little strawberries. And look at that, it looks nice. So I'm just